Yo, 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 what up, YouTubiacs? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now, another unboxing, so you already know the deal. So, at no further ado, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, as you can see the title, got a big unboxing here. This is basically stuff from AliExpress. Okay, here we go. Back right here. Cut that right there. So I'm just gonna put everything out each one at a time. So we got that right there. I'm gonna take this and just throw it on the floor. Next one right here. That one right there. So we got this one right here. This is a cover. As you can see, you got the lens part right here for it. And basically you just, where's the part you unlatch it at? And there you go right there. We got cushions and stuff right there. So you just do that. And just open it up like that. And so I don't know if I like that, because over time it's gonna wind up breaking at some time. So we got this part right here, which is just a magnet. Then just hit my ROG Ally. Good thing I got a screen protector on my Ally. Set that to the side. So this is basically the case and the mount. So we got that there. You're probably wondering why I still got the glove on. It's because I still got burns that's still healing. It's going to take a few months, probably about 6 months before my hand gets back to its normal color. So, and this is the magnet right here. Let's see how strong this is. Holy crap. God, hamburger. Okay, that's really stuck on you. Okay, I gotta edit this video real quick because this magnet is stuck on this thing hard. Okay, guys, I had to edit the video. This magnet is freaking strong. It literally got stuck on my thing and I had to like pull it down. So let's get this out the way. Here's the one thing that I really wanted. Out of all of them, I really wanted this one. Okay. How do you open this thing up? Okay, here we go. Sorry about that, guys. Had to just keep editing this thing. So this is the filter. This thing is small, and this is just a little freaking various filter right there. So that's everything right there. I have more stuff that I'm going to be ordering, so just bear with that. So let's get the thing out. We're going to pull this out. We're just going to get some of this stuff out right here. So okay, I brought it because I don't want to use this case no more, because this thing is literally leaving marks on my own camera, as you can see right here, right there, and I'm worried over time that the keep pulling this thing out is going to mess it up. Wasn't it supposed to come with a screen protector? I believe it's supposed to. Let me check inside of here real quick. Okay, it was supposed to came with a screen protector. That sucks. This was supposed to come with a screen protector for it, and it didn't get sent. I'm gonna let them know that I didn't receive the screen protector. Is it in the box? Here it is, the screen protector right here. It's the cloth. It was supposed to come with a screen protector. I'm gonna have to look at it and let them know that I didn't receive the screen protector for the screen. So yeah. All right. So first thing is this. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. So I don't have to use this no more. Oh yeah, that's better. That's way better. Let's see if the ultra wide filter could fit in here. Maybe a little too chunky. I don't know. Maybe it might be a little too chunky. Yeah, it's a little too chunky for that filter right there. For that one right there. But it should work with the other one, which is this one right here. Just get that. Okay. Let's just power it off real quick. Okay. Yeah, so that one, see, that one looks a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, that one works way better. That one is way better. I got it in blue. I was going to get the protective case and stuff like that. Now, the only problem is with this one, when you put this one, it's not going to protect it because of this part. So I don't really have a problem with it. I just wanted this for more protection. I feel more comfortable like this compared towards this. I am going to keep this inside my bag and just use this for a microphone stand right here. So I like the fact that it covers the whole thing compared towards this one. Let me see. Yes, you can see this actually pokes out. And it's not protecting anything like that. This one is actually protecting everything. So I do like the fact that so when I take my camera out like this, I basically pop it out this way and just pull it out as so. Yeah, that's perfect. It's just a little bit bulky right there. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, just straight up take it out, be ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Pop this one just like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And the way how it is, you can see the hinge right there. You can see the hinge right there, and you just like that. You just pop it out. And it has a lot of cushion inside of it, as you can see right there. So yeah, I will be rocking with this a lot more now. So let's check out this cage for it. Okay. Okay. It's because I got this right here. I should have put this in first, which is this. Well, you know what? Let's just leave it the way how it is, just for right now. Just for right now. There we go. Like I said, it's only this that's in place. I need to push this into there like that. So there we go. So I don't know if I can actually put this in there with this one. No, it's too bulky. But I am going to get another case for it, which is going to be the other one. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Get that inside here. Locked into place. There we go. Put the magnet onto it as so, which this magnet is like super strong. and just put it right here. Oh yeah. So I can actually store it right there on my workflow. So how strong is it if I pull it off? Wow. All right, you just see my whole camera shake. My whole desk just shook. That's how strong this magnet is. Like Jiminy Jillikers. Oh yeah. Now I got it on my microphone. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, this is nice, guys. All right, guys. That's the unboxing for everything. The magnet, the lens filter, and the case right there. All this came out to $19 just for all this. I brought it off of AliExpress. This was only like $6. The lens was $8. No, $7, $6. Because I brought it off a different seller. This was about $4. So I have more accessories that I'm gonna be picking up soon. I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.